So you know me, I have lots of Lego sets. So I have like 8 of them, and I de-assembled all of them to make custom sets. I built like 7. There's even the big tricycle here. This mini quad, mini motor, just a lot of them. Like 6 or 7 customized. And I let my sister pick one and de-assembled it and make a instruction book to rebuild it again. So yeah, let's build it. Here's it, like tape together. Okay. How many pieces? Okay, 9 numbers. Okay. So first, I'm not really gonna show it on camera because it's hard to put it on camera like that so you can see. No, it's hard because I cannot really see it that much. So yeah, just gonna build it on my couch here. My couch. Yeah, I'm gonna build it here. So if this video ends, I'm gonna do a part 2 because my storage kinda low. So yeah, let's do it. I'm just really fast because I don't want to do a part 2. Like, I need to make more storage. Maybe my phone glitch and ends and break my phone. And it won't on anymore because of full storage. That thing happened to my dad's phone, so we have to buy one more new phone. Yeah. So
Anak, anong ginagawa mo dyan sa labas? Ayos ka lang ba, anak?
Daddy, bakit hindi ko po maintindihan kung bakit bumalik si Mami kay Tito Alex?
Anak, nakapag-usap na kami ng mami mo. Nakapag-desisyon na siya. Bigyan na natin siya ng konting oras, ha?
Nakapag-desisyon ko siya, naiwan ako. Naiwan tayo.
Huwag mong isipin na ginagawa ito ng mami mo dahil ayaw niya na sa'yo. Di ba?
okay, so this 8 one like super hard right now. Oh wait, I forgot step 7.
Si Tito Alex.
Oh, step 7 is easy. Like this. Put it on the bags. Okay, see this gray one. Put it like this.
Hindi ko hahayaan mangyari.
Like the sign. And then step 8. Last step because I added my sister added number 0 to that. Then last is 8, so that technically counts as 9. So yeah, let's build it. How to do it again?
Bawi ba asawa mo?
So yeah, you put
Oo.
it,
Ito ang gusto ko
this
sa'yo.
one here.
Alam mo yung kiliti ko. You know how to please me. You know how to make
Wait, sorry, wrong way. It's hard to build with Legos, especially if you have short fingers. Short nails. Yeah, it's hard. Wait lang.
Puno na yung cellphone. Social mo na.
So this is it, guys. It's like all like this. I got the big one. It shows anything you can get right here. So that's it. Bye. Bye bye.